These are the extended rudiments off the essential rudiments. These are a few that I play a lot on the drum set, and by all means they're not all the rudiments, they're just the ones that I think are most musical and easiest to play on the drum set. The first one being the 5-stroke roll. That's where I'm playing right, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, right, left. 2 doubles and a single at the end. Note that all the stroke rolls have an accent at the end of them. Now put it in a rhythm. You can also play it in closed position or as a buzz. And what I'm doing there is buzz, buzz, right, buzz, buzz, left. Here's the 5-stroke roll in a drum set application. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play a swing feel, and what I'm going to do is play a 5-stroke roll fill into the of 4. Here's a basic breakdown of that. Now what I'm going to do is play this fill in a 2-bar phrase at a slow tempo. It sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I'll do is I'll play the 5-stroke roll in a 4-bar phrase in a medium tempo. It sounds like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for going through this video. I hope you've gotten a lot out of it. Be sure to check out my website, robhartdrumstudio.com, and there I've posted online courses that I've dedicated my life of playing and teaching music that cover counting and reading rhythms, hand and feet technique, groove independence, and much more. Until next time, happy practicing.